Hi guys, it's the Dark and Light Gem. No time for an introduction today. I'm running on a bridge in the sky, running from flying fish. I never thought I'd start an episode of any LP like that, but I have more live because I looked up some secret 1-up locations, and actually there's some that I can't believe I missed. What? It came out from under me. You gotta be so good at dodging to beat this. Oh my gosh, there's paratroopers in my way. Ah! My goodness. Give me a checkpoint at least. You have to be so good at dodging to beat this. With more enemies in the way. What? What was that? What was that? Seriously, what the heck was that? Really? They're starting me back at the beginning? No matter how far I go, I have to go back to the beginning of the level? That sucks. I just want an extra life. There we go. Crud! Crud. Okay. Go. Go. How is that avoidable? Okay, well, I'll show you some 1-up locations. I thought I'd have to do this in a bonus episode, but I have time to show you now. But how is that avoidable? Okay, well, go a little past the pipe. There we go. So that gets us to 4 lives. I'm trying to be faster in these levels so I can get more points. And I'm also trying to collect coins also. Like, I'm trying to either be faster or collect more coins. Alright, and yeah, I'm trying to jump at the top of the flag so I can get more points. Oh, wow. 3 fireworks went off. And I think, like, when fireworks go off, they give you points. But there's another 1-up in 4-2. Or, no, not 4-2, but 1-2. And there's one in 4-1. I'd like to see if there's any in World 7. Do I have that tab open that showed the 1-up locations? No, I don't. Okay, well, I've gotta look it up. 1-up. Let's see here. I'm on YouTube. Let's see here. Ween Ocean Man. You gotta love that, huh? Ocean Man. It's the end of the SpongeBob movie. 1-up locations. There we go. Sorry if you can't see the whole screen. Okay, let's fast forward to World 7. Let's see if there's any there. Oh, there is one in 7-1. Okay, I gotta see this. Please don't tell me you have to be Big Mario to get this. I want to see what this guy does. This is playing the classics. Playing the classics, okay. Where is it? It better not be by those Hammer Brothers, because that's hard. Okay, it's the pipe right above the Hammer Brothers, okay. And then there's not another one till World 8. Okay, so, yeah. I'm trying to close just this tab and not the other one. No, I could leave this tab open. Okay. Okay, so there's one in World 7. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that in mind. And yes, there is a 1-up in World 4 too, so I'm gonna have to show you that. There's one right here. I knew about this one for a while, but I haven't got to show you these other ones. But what if I showed every little thing that was in every little box? This LP would take forever, and it would be so boring to show off every little box. So we're gonna go 4, that'll get us closer to 7. Wow, isn't that so nice to have 5 lives? Alright, so it's not here, but it's at another place with 4 question mark boxes. Here. Go to the 3rd one, right above box number 3. There we go. And I can kill this guy too. Boom. There we go. So oh crud. Okay, okay, we're still good. I gotta get 100 coins for another extra life. I'm just getting loaded on 1-ups so I can beat World 7-3. Oh yes, barely avoided that. Alright, gotta get coins from here. Yes! Got that 5,000. Alright. 4-2 with 6. I don't think there's a 1-up on 4-2, but I could get 100 coins. I need 7 more to get 100. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm at 99. Oh, I think I'm gonna get one when I hit one of those invisible blocks that leads to the warp zone. Yes, sir. Alright. Go on there. Right, no, come on, Mario. Come on. There we go. So there's one in 7-1. I think it's above the pipe right by the Hammer Brothers. So we're gonna go there. 7-1, huh? Got a 7. 7 lives. 7 lives. And I could have 8 lives. And that's just one shy of a cat's lives. Give me Cat Mario, then I can have 9 lives. Oh, come on, come on. Get out of there. No! Crud, I wasted one of my lives. Now I have 6 lives. Oh, yes. Nice kill, Mario. Get that? There we go. Oh, crud. Oh, wow, that was nice. You gotta be kidding me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't die too many times. Well, we got a 1-up. We got a 1-up coming, so I think that should be good. good. Oh, wow. That was great. But I do not like all these bullet bills. I do not like them. Like, what is it with level 7-1? Well, I think it's supposed to be hard since it's so far into the game, but it's not this pipe, but it's the next one. Right here. There we go. There we go. Oh, wow, that couldn't have gotten any closer without dying. Run, Mario! I'm not even gonna use that spring thing. But I wanna see what's in these boxes. Nothing in the boxes? Okay. You wanna fool me like that? Oh, yes! Nice. I'm not even gonna go back for that, because those little suckers are dangerous. Okay, so... So those are the 1-ups that I found, so... Okay, oh, we still got 6 lives. Let's see if all these lives can help us beat 7-3. I'm guessing it can, but first we gotta get by 7-2. Wait, no! Go! Get away from me, Blooper! No! You crazy fish! You can't do me like this! Come on! Come on! Don't send me back to the beginning of the level. I think they just did. Gosh darn it. Or is this the beginning of the level? I think it is. Oh my gosh. No. There we go. Nah, no! What? That can happen? You can swim too low? Well, at least they didn't put me back at the beginning of the level. There we go. Right here. I'm gonna just stay right here until these crazy fish get away from me. Alright, go, 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 Mario, go, 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 Mario, go, 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 Mario, go, 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 go. Yes, yes, okay, so we're at the end of here. Oh, man. I think we still got 4 lives. Let's see if we can beat this. Alright, 4 lives. Now run. Now run. Oh my gosh, there's so many enemies in my way. You gotta be so good at dodging to avoid all this. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Get this. No. Oh, yes. 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 Okay, that helps. That helps. Okay, we got a little break. And the madness starts again. This is insanity. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Whoa, these are so tiny. Oh, wow, this level's madness. Oh, yes, 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 yes. We beat 7-3. Wow, look at that cloud. It's so low. It's literally low enough to be a bush. Wow, I got that on my first try. Okay, 7-4. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, this is one of the paths. Okay, was it low? Middle? High? Was it? Yes, Yes, I think that's what it was. Okay, yeah. Okay, which one was it? Was it... Okay, so now I think I go over? Over? Is it? If you don't go in the right order, it's just gonna keep looping until you get it right. Oh, no, that's not right. How about... No! Crud! Crud. Really? I have to start all over from the beginning? Okay, okay, so it was under, middle, over. Alright, yes. No! Come on! Okay, so we still got 2 lives. Okay, so... Alright. Okay, so it was under, middle, over. Alright, so... Wait, I think this is over. I think... Crud nuggets! Crud! Okay, so we got one more chance to do this. Alright. Under. Middle. Over. Alright, that's the end of that one. Okay, so I think this is over. You gotta be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. I turned around. Alright, well, let's figure this out later, okay? This is the Dark and Light. I'm signing out. I'll probably see you on Sunday for episode 12. Take care.